The Pinoy Boomer! This is an annoying zipper. Haven't you encountered this before, guys? Especially when you're walking around and then you became so sweaty and for some reason the zipper becomes stuck like this. You can't close it anymore due to buildup of salts from your sweat. So annoying, right? Now, for today's video, we will find out how to fix this kind of problem. And all we need to do is just use a bottle of mineral oil. This is the Pinoy Boomer sharing with you a how to fix such an annoying problem. Let's get it on now, guys, shall we? So, how do we fix an annoying zipper? So, what you need to do is simply apply mineral oil, or if you don't have mineral oil, any kind of oil would do, and you just simply apply a few drops of it on top. So here, this is the annoying zipper. Yeah, so you just apply some, close it, then try again. So we pull back here, then here we go, it's closed. I'll share with you guys another how-to video in the near future. Okay, if you're interested in my other do-it-yourself videos, please watch the video that I am sharing with you guys. I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.